Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to Office 365 Archive Mailbox Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Migration Software lets you easily migrate archive mailboxes from on-premises Exchange servers to Office 365. Built for performance, security, and accuracy, the tool ensures complete data integrity by retaining the archive mailbox structure, folder hierarchy, and metadata throughout the migration process. With built-in support for SSL/TLS encryption and multi-factor authentication, EdbMails ensures a secure and compliant migration experience that adheres to ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA standards. Let's walk through the steps to migrate archive mailboxes from Exchange to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select Connect to Archive Mailbox option. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Exchange server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select Connect to Archive Mailbox option. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange to Office 365 archive mailbox migration, visit edbmails.com today.